Hi! In front of me is SONY Xperia 5.3 and today I would like to show you how you can operate pop-up view on this SONY device. Firstly, open an app like Chrome, then click on the square button over here and tap on the icon of an app. Select pop-up view, and as you can see, now I can use my app in this little window over here and even overlay other apps. If you're to make it bigger, you need to double tap on it, hold this top left corner and drag it to the top to make your window bigger, or drag it to the bottom to make it smaller. If you wish to go back from this mode, click on this icon at the top right corner or go into background apps and simply close your app in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!